This is the most powerful morning drink I've ever used. Lemons and cloves. Simple ingredients, but together they create a detox and anti-inflammatory effect that's truly surprising. Let me show you why thousands of people are turning to this ancient morning ritual, and I want to share with you a secret on how to make this even more simpler than what it already is. Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, sharing with you God's recipe for excellent health. If you've been following the 7-Day Cloves Challenge, you already know the incredible benefits of this tiny spice. I started exploring cloves when I wanted to understand how natural foods and spices could support inflammation and get rid of it, or overall wellness and improve it. Adding cloves helped so much. But when we combine them with lemons, which you know is my all-time favorite morning drink, it was like giving our bodies a morning reset button. Now here's something beautiful. Cloves aren't mentioned directly in the Bible, but they are mentioned in the commentaries written during biblical days, which means the records of the daily life in Israel. And they appeared as one of the precious spices that was used for purification and for healing and restoring the body. And citrus fruits, especially those like the etrog, mentioned in the Feast of Tabernacles, were used in biblical times for cleansing rituals, purification ceremonies, and even symbolic health blessings. So, although they're not mentioned by name, they were still evident. And when we talk about lemons and cloves, we're talking about ancient wisdom meeting modern science. And I love it when science validates Scripture. Not that it needs to, because I believe Scripture no matter what. So let's talk about why these two ingredients become extraordinary when they're paired. And I'm going to share with you the best tip for making this drink. I haven't shared it anywhere else. So point number one, vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts antioxidant power of the cloves, and it helps your cells to repair and to rebuild. Plus, vitamin C is essential for collagen production and repair. Point number two, digestive activation. Lemon stimulates stomach enzymes. It really sets the digestive tract. Cloves stimulate the digestive enzymes. Together, a gentle but powerful jumpstart for your gut. Point number three, liver support. Lemons support detox pathways, and cloves support liver enzymes. It's a natural synergy when they work together. Number four, anti-inflammatory duo. Both ingredients reduce inflammation from the inside out. And this is one reason people report clearer skin, less bloating, more energy. Now let me share with you how to make this morning drink. And I'm going to share it differently than you've ever seen anywhere else before. So we're going to start with anywhere from 4 to 7 cloves. And yes, I'm using my tea strainer ball. So I love this. It is so amazing. So I'm just going to add, you can add anywhere from 4 to 7 cloves into your little tea ball. And if you have some of the more decorative ones like we've had at the retreat, that's cool. Now to this, I'm going to actually add, which you've never seen me do this before, a little bit of stevia. Now I use the real stevia, dried and dehydrated. Put that in my ball as well, and this is ready to go. So I'm going to put that in my cup. Then I'm going to use 1/2 of a lemon. Now I am a person who doesn't like the seeds of the lemon in my drinks, so I'm going to use my strainer here. And I'm just going to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon into my cup. Please do not ever use that juice that you buy in those plastic containers in the refrigerator. That is just artificial, or it's been there too long and you have totally lost the benefit of the vitamin C. Then we're going to pour on some hot water. Right around 200 degrees is best. And we're just going to let that steep. I'm going to swirl around my little tea ball so that those cloves get exposed to all of the hot water, and their oils and their flavor and their essential elements are released into the water. Plus the stevia is going to sweeten it up. And that is going to make it taste so good. You can add honey if you want, but I like the stevia, especially because it's not those little packets that are filled with 1/2 of other stuff. It's just pure stevia. So I'm going to let this steep for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to drink it.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, it has had time to steep, and now we just get to enjoy. And if you don't like chasing all those cloves around in your cup, then all you have to do is just remove your little tea strainer, and everything is all in there, plus my stevia. Now, sometimes a little bit of the stevia seeps through because it's such a powdery form, and it'll have little tiny flecks in my water. But there I have my perfect morning drink. You can also add just a dash of cinnamon and make this totally special just for you. Well, you can drink this daily for 7 days as a reset, and then maybe transition to doing it 7 days a month. Like maybe the first week of the month would be a great thing to do, or maybe 2 to 4 mornings per week. Decide what works for you, and as needed when you need digestion help or you need to get rid of some inflammation. The key thing is this: listen to your body, and it's going to tell you what it needs. This is good for all ages, young kids, teenagers, and adults of all ages. I love remembering that God gave us foods and spices and plants, not just to look at and enjoy, which I do, but to support the body He designed. Lemons and cloves may seem simple, but it carries the fingerprints of His wisdom. Ancient writings treasured them. Modern science confirms it, and our bodies respond when we use them. So try this for 7 days, just 7. And see what changes you notice, even the small changes. And then come back and share your results here. Let's continue learning how to nourish the body through God's beautiful natural gifts. If you want more information on biblical nutritional foods and drinks and just overall healthy living, then make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because I have so many more videos coming out to teach you exactly how to enjoy the blessings of God's recipe for excellent health. And if you haven't already, please go to the website, subscribe for our email, because there's events coming up and I want to meet you there. Thanks for watching and being a part of the Biblical Nutritionist family. If you haven't already checked out my book, Satisfied, Baking with Whole Grain Goodness, this is a book that is definitely a perfect gift for anyone who's getting started freshly milling grain. And it includes not only some of the teaching in the beginning about the value of real grain and how God created it, but it has some of my very favorite recipes for holidays, for every day. So many delicious recipes that I know your family's going to love. So yes, it does have the basic bread recipe, but it has many more recipes so you can extend your idea of baking with a lot of good recipes. Please check out Satisfied, Baking with Whole Grain Goodness.